Hello, it's Fast Eddie again. So today we're talking about Aluma Guards. It's a latch guard that essentially works with Adams Rite latches and bolts. It protects the latch and the bolt from being jimmied, tampered with, so people can't break in. It has a dual purpose. It also has this small hole where you slide your key in. It covers the lock cylinder. It prevents people from turning out the mortise cylinder with a vice grip trying to break in. This typically goes on aluminum glass doors. I've seen them on metal doors. I've never installed one on a metal door, but yeah, I've seen them. And even wooden doors. Typically they retail for about $55, and I charge just as much to install them, plus their trip charge. So yes, why don't I show you my adventure in installing one of these today? It was tough. So this door has been broken into several times. We're going to put the latch guard on there, the Aluma Guard, made by Major Manufacturing, but also replace the lock and the Adams Rite paddle. Notice the pull handle's a little too close to the lock. That creates a problem. So to counter this problem, I cut out a notch off the top of the plate so I can get the keyhole centered on the cylinder. Then I'll mark it on the door. So now I'm going to line it up and mark it. Always check it twice. So the first thing I'm going to do is drill the top hole and the bottom hole. Then there's two additional holes at the bottom for the mounting plate. I have to drill both of them as well so I can put the screws into them. So now I'm going to thread in the screws that holds the bottom support plate. Now it's time to install the brand new Adams Rite latch. Now I'm putting their existing mortise cylinder back into the door. And now it's time to install the brand new Adams Rite paddle. Now I just got to install the Aluma Guard. All I have to do is put the through bolt in at the top, nut on the back side of the door, tighten it up, and we're good to go. So as you can see, that had its issues, but we got it done. Major Manufacturing, Aluma Guard. It's a great product. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Fast Eddie. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.